Welcome, we the students of Vedic mathematics, we the sadhakas of Vedic system are in a very pleasant state of mind that from today we are initiating ourselves face to face with Surya Nabhi, orb of, it is orb of the sun, which is seat of whole range of values for sustenance of life. Purusha and Surya are of parallel recipients of values of eternity. Eternity manifests Surya and Purusha both. Sadhakas fulfilled with intensity, parallel with this range of enlightenment, shall go to the shelter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. We shall be approaching the values reservoir of Srimad Bhagavad Gita with an aim to be parallel with the values reservoir as orb of the sun. The mathematics, sciences and technologies of this reservoir of values are as is the organization Ganita Sutra. Ganita Sutra are fifth fold of Vedic systems. First fold is Om Iti Ek Akshar Brahm. Second fold is Gayatri Mantra Om Bhur Bhuva Swaha Tat Savitra Vareniyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimai. The third fold are the Saraswati mantras Om Parno Deviti, Om Ano Deviti, Om Pavaka Naiti, Om Cha Id Chitri Iti, Om Maho Araniti, Om Chatvari Vagiti, Om Vagvadanti Iti, Om Devi Vachamiti, Om Uttava Iti, Om Ambitamiti. Fourth fold are Maheshwara Sutras. There are 14 Maheshwara Sutras. A, I, U, Ana, Ri, L, Ri, Ka, E, O, Ng, E, Au, Ch, H, Y, R, V, Ta, L, Ana, Nya, Ma, Nga, Ana, Na, Ma, Jha, Bha, Nya, Gha, Dha, Dha, Sh, Ja, Ba, Ga, Da, D, Sh, Kha, Fa, Ch, Tha, Th, Ch, T, T, W, K, P, Y, Sh, S, Sh, R, H, L. Fifth fold are Ganita Sutras and Upsutras. Eka adhikena purve nikhlim navasta charmam dashata udharv tiryagabhyam pravartya yojet shunyam same samucche anurupe shunye anyat sankalan vyakalnabhyam पूर्ण अपूर्णाभ्याम चलन कलनाभ्याम Yavadunam vyasti samasti sheshanken charmen shishyat शिष्यते शेषंकेन चरमेण संकलन सोपानंत्यम द्वयमंत्यम एक न्यूनेन पूर्वेण गुणित समुच्चय गुणक समुच्चय अनुरूपेण शिष्यते शेष संज्ञा आदे आदेन अंत्यम अंतेन केवले सप्तकम गुणयात वेष्टनम ह्यावधूनम तावधूनम ह्यावधूनम तावधून्य कृत्य वर्गम चायोचेत अंत्योरेव तस्के अपि अंत्योरेव समुच्चय गुणिता लोपना स्थापनाभ्याम विलोकनम गुणित समुच्चय समुच्चय गुणिता. Sadhakas fulfilled with intensity efforts to be parallel with Vedic systems shall accept this fivefold prayer, and if one goes to the shelter of this fivefold prayer 5 times a day, one is a blessed one. The entire eternity is going to be bestowed with full grace upon such sadhakas. Let us have a textbook of Srimad Bhagavad Gita with us. Let us be through it. Srimad Bhagavad Gita is Vedanta Trayi. Upanishads, Brahma Sutra, Bhagavad Gita are Brahmatrayi. Sadhakas fulfilled with intensity efforts to be parallel with the reservoir eternity, reservoir values at Surya Nabhi, orb of the sun, shall be through the knowledge and organization of knowledge of the text of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. On your computer screen is the tabulation of the features of the organization of the text of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. I designated Srimad Bhagavad Gita study zone. This organization is of Jyoti flow, 7 streams Ganga flow from orb of the sun, from Surya Nabhi, and it pervades, fulfills northern and southern hemispheres. Therefore, the sadhakas fulfilled with intensity of virtue shall be parallel with this organization format and to have a sequential chase in terms of it, of the organization format and features of the text of Srimad Bhagavad Gita and the surface knowledge thereupon. Let us sit comfortably. Surya Ank is 6. The number of the sun is 6. 6 is the first perfect number. 6 is the TC value of the first letter of the Ganita Sutras, A, the 6th vowel. As such, Yoga Nishtha will take us from this value 6 to Hypercube 6 format. So reach is going to be up till real 6 space. The existence phenomenon of our solar universe is a reality. It is a reality of 6 space format. And the text of Srimad Bhagavad Gita is reservoir of the values of reality of our existence phenomenon, manifesting and lively phenomenon within human frame, and also manifesting a lively phenomenon as sun. As such, we have to sit comfortably and meditate within the cavity of our own heart at the transcendental seat of the transcendental Lord. Heart is the fourth chakra of body. Heart is of the format of hypercube 4, a four-space body. Four-space plays the role of dimension of six space. As such, the reach to be parallel with orb of the sun is going to be a reach of cavity of the heart. One, when will dive, transcend with the cavity of one's own heart, then it is going to be a phenomenon parallel with diving within the six space domain, within the sun, for a reach up till its orb. Srimad Bhagavad Gita enlightens us that as is the enlightenment bestowed by Lord Krishna upon Arjuna, as that as is the enlightenment of Lord Krishna, that Lord Krishna had bestowed the grace of the yoga of the eternity path to the sun. Sun is fulfilled with the transcendental grace bestowed upon it by Lord Vishnu. We, the sadhakas, fulfilled with the intensity of virtue to be parallel with these values, this enlightenment, shall go to the text of Srimad Bhagavad Gita and let us approach it the way this text unfolds for us. One shall have fivefold prayer, and the grace of the transcendental Lord will be bestowed upon us. Thank you very much.